Alright folks, welcome back to another video. Today's video is basically going to be about my room tour, or you can say my house tour. Alright, so before I begin the video, I'd like to mention that this video is not for those kind of like sympathetic thing, but I just want to motivate those people uh, by looking at my condition. Alright, so let's begin. Alright guys, this is my house. So this is from the back side, and this is where I park my bike, and this is the toilet, and we have the tape here. I don't have water inside, and this is my school. This is where I work. If you have been watching my videos from the day one, then you might be knowing it. And yes, I sometimes park my bike here under a little bit of shelter. Mush. Um, when it rains, because like I need to protect my baby. Alright folks, so when I park her here, the thing is that I feel her close to my heart. Anyway, we have shelter, and yes, so it's going to protect my bike from the rain and the sun. Yeah. Alright, from this side, this is how the house looks like. So yes, I stay here, and it is a little bit scary from the outside, but it is very good from inside. Let me show you in a while. Anyway, this is how it looks from here. I used to do some gardening here, but now I could not. Here also I did some gardening, but I could not now. So this is how it looks. A purely Bhutanese structure. Most very great place to be at. From outside it looks like this, but from inside it is very cozy and very, what to say now, very good. Sir, anyway, this is to be my garden, but now kids have grown up and I could not do anything here. So alright, so let's go inside. Tabla. Alright folks, I'm going to take you all inside. So yes, let's go. Before that, this is some of my flowers. Some of my flowers, and on the entrance we have a corridor beautifully painted. This is how it looks like from here. Let's go. Alright, so from inside it looks like this. We don't have a proper wall here, but it's fine. This is my fridge, mini fridge. I have some stuff. Alright, so this is basically where I cook, eat, and then this is where I work out sometimes. Yeah, and this is my main room. As you enter here, this is my bed. A pretty little bed. I have a tent, mosquito net, I guess. So the wall that side is also not that great, but just ignore that. So yeah, I have an altar here. We pray in the morning, and then basically this is the thing, guys. The man. This is the thing. So this is where I shoot the videos. This is basically my studio. I have a second monitor. This acts as my mobile holder. I used to mount my tab here, but unfortunately I'm not using that tab these days. I have the second monitor, and we have a jade plant. Jade, Alright, so this is basically where I work. This is where I edit my videos, and yeah, this is my friend. Maybe to condition the chin. Oh no, not here. And then yeah, basically that's it, guys. Alright, so that you love Zumbe. So like I said before, I stay in this house, and it is alright. It is okay for me. It is like acceptable for me, and when I stay here I feel good. You see, I enjoy being here. I work from here. I go to school, make lessons, and do all the kind of stuff here. And yeah, so last thing, I like to say that I stay in this place and I make videos daily, go to my cottage. So many of you might be staying at a very great place to see. And yeah, please think about it and then work on yourself, make videos much as usual. As I say all the time, videos are Bitcoin. Content creation is next Bitcoin days. So yes, this is all about my house. This is it for today. See you in the next video. Subscribe and yeah, subscribe for more.